morning, we'll be praying, Father, by your power, release your judgment on evil parents in Nigeria. In the name of Jesus. The repentant ones, draw them to yourself. Discipline them and reverse their evil in the lives of their children. But the unrepentant ones, release your judgment of death upon them. Deliver the children and be their father. Train them so that they will fulfill their destiny. In the name of Jesus. Let's open our mouth and pray.